The only thing is, it's weird because it doesn't usually taste like the food. It's kind of like your mind is playing tricks on you. It looks like a stack of pancakes, but it's not. We asked you what you wanted to see, and you responded. This week's suggestion comes from the YouTube user named Splotty. Splotty, this one's for you. Today's cake is a pancake cake, or like we call them at my house, flapjacks. Pancakes, flapjacks, as long as they're slathered in maple syrup and butter. To make this pancake cake, I'm gonna use some rolled fondant. I got food coloring. I got some rolled fondant that I'm gonna make look into butter, and piping gel. So let's start by taking our fondant, and we're gonna use like an ivory because it's kind of the color of the pancakes or flapjacks in my house, right? So what I'm gonna do now, just roll out some snakes. Nice and easy, making the flapjacks. And then I'm just gonna kind of smash it down a little like this. And then I'm gonna take it, I'm just gonna go around. And the good thing about this is every pancake could be a little wonky because when you make pancakes at home, they're all never really perfect, right? Well, depends on who's making them now. I'm a trained pancake professional. Now, even my pancakes always come out a little lopsided. So you can roll them out individually, put them on one by one. Starting to look like some pancakes over here. Remember, whenever you're doing a cake like this, there's always gonna be a back to the cake. So I'm trying to make all my seams kind of line up in one spot. Because, you know, usually I always try to have one back to a cake. I like a flapjacks in the morning. I mean, over the last couple of years, you know, we've been doing more food style cakes. Whether you do a hamburger, whether you do a stack of pancakes, pasta, there's a lot of different things that you can do. It doesn't usually taste like the food. It's kind of like your mind is playing tricks on you. So now that we're stacked up all the way, I'm gonna take all my extra here. I'm gonna take another little piece of fondant. I'm gonna make one for the top. Toss a pizza kind of style, you know? Smooth this out. Now we got our pancake here. Get it up on the top there. So next thing I gotta do is add some realistic details. So I'm just gonna kind of sit down here. And I'm just gonna add a couple like little air pockets, just like a real pancake would have. I got some food color in here, yellow and brown mixed together, and a paintbrush. And I'm just gonna kind of paint between the pancakes just to kind of get the griddle marks in there. Painting on the cakes is really relaxing. It's kind of like piping, but I think I'm better at piping than painting. All right, this is gonna take a minute here. So I'm gonna keep painting and I'll show you how to finish this up. Time to make our butter here. Okay, and I'm gonna roll it into like a little log, but then I'm gonna kind of make it into like a stick of butter. Cut me a little dab of butter here. And then I'm just gonna finish them off. Nice sharp edge. So now we're gonna put our butter on top. Voila, like this. Last but not least, syrup. So I'm gonna use a pastry bag, and you could buy clear piping gel and just add some color to it. We're just gonna go to town. And that's a pancake cake, baby. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel below. Click over there to watch a little more videos. And in the comment section, let me know what you want to see next, and maybe we'll make it for you. Make sure to share it with your friends, and ciao for now. We'll see you next time.